Welcome to Low Carb Spin. I'm Karen.
And I'm Therese.
We're hoping everyone is having a wonderful holiday season. Life has certainly gotten in the way of our video making.
We tried to get together, but we had destination weddings, job changing things a little bit, my job anyways.
Physical therapy with mom.
And some for me.
Yeah, on your wrist. And then I got a new puppy to boot. So, foster fail.
I knew it the day she brought him home. I was going to stay.
Oh, no.
And I got two of my own, so.
And I'm on number 4.
It's been fun, though, and we are happy to put that all behind us. And we're looking forward to
2026.
That's right.
And some new recipes. But here's a little glimpse of what we did for this holiday season. We started out this season using the Complete Carnivore Cookbook by Jenny Mitich. Turning right to the exact page, brine, spatchcock turkey. Into the refrigerator, she's all brined and dried and buttered and ready to go. Now her little bake in the oven, and she'll be about good to go in about 2 hours.
Wow, that looks delicious. Is that Jenny Mitich, her recipe?
Yes.
Hey girls, Mama is here with me and we have been cooking a lot today. She's helping me make a lasagna. They want to say hi. It's the girls.
Hi.
Okay.
Traditionally, I always end up making 2 sets of lasagnas. One with the traditional noodles, and then the second one with recipe from Ketogenic Woman, her carnivore egg noodles.
Pour that in here.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really.
Danny said it couldn't be done because he said, that's AI, Mom. Did you know that when I was making the Grinch and I needed black olives for the eyes, I picked up this can and says, no artificial colors. I'm like, okay, that's great. But they were brown inside. We're the only people that don't know that there is black dye in.
So no real olives are black.
I don't
they are
think
this brown
so.
color.
I don't think so.
And we've been eating these dyed black olives. Oh my.
Who knows?
Let us know. Are we the only ones?
Put it in the comments. We had so many different desserts, but my son did make this Christmas tree. It was a pistachio raspberry mousse. It was so pretty and delicious. I just had to share. I'm a proud mama.